Hey guys, what's up? This is Hdr and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Huawei P30 Pro. It comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p full HD videos. For images we got portrait mode with beautification and different kinds of bokeh effects. For images there are panorama AR lenses and HDR provided as well. And for videos we got beautification and HDR as well, but if you're going to use beauty mode for video recording, then the video resolution will be reduced to 720p HD only. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use Huawei P30 Pro for taking selfies or videos, so how good it's going to be in terms of quality. Just a quick demo of front facing camera of Huawei P30 Pro. So that's all for now, friends. A detailed camera review of Huawei P30 Pro will be uploaded very soon, so do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification when that video is uploaded. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.